Okay, welcome again. Now, what I want to say is that with this YouTube channel called Play Drums the Easy Way, we will not just be offering the trap set, all right, or the 5-piece drum set, but we wanted to look out in the future for learning how to play congos, all right, congo drums, and any other drums I can actually get my hands on, all right. But we're going to focus on the trap set, the congos, and then we're going to also be going to steel pan. Some people call it steel drum. And the beautiful thing about a steel drum is that it is the only non-electrical instrument created in the 21st century. You're going to love that also. You know, so look out for that in the future. So as we continue, okay, with the next step, what we're going to be looking at is adding one additional beat on the bass drum. So the last 3 beats that we looked at, we were only playing 1 beat on the bass drum, all right, on 1 and 3. So now we're going to be playing 1, then 2, right? 1, then 2. So let's begin. And once we have finished this, what we're actually going to be doing is looking at, you know, playing all 4 beats, okay, so that you can remember. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hi-hat. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Slow. One more time. Okay, so we're going to be playing from step 1 all the way up to step 4, and we're going to end with a step 5, which will be playing double beats on your bass drum. So let's go from the top. All right, step 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Step 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Step 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, So we're going to end with step 5, which is playing 2 beats on the bass drum, which would be hi-hat remain the same, snare drum remain the same, right? So we're going to take it, we're going to play it a little fast, then we're going to go down as slow as possible so you can actually pick it up. So remember, you can go back on the video and you can pick up these beats one by one. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thanks again for joining.